Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. Today's video is regarding ticker symbol AYRO, you can call it Ayro. And I made previous videos on this particular stock, then I was not making videos on this one. And I think now this is a good time to make another video on this one because the price action looks good because it was coming down, and now all the EV stocks are going and this one is also reversing. So in this particular video I'll talk about the price action, some short interest, some price target, support and resistance, and also how you can make some money using some call option. I will talk about the strike price and also I'll talk about the expiry date. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you want to get regular updates on the stock they are about to blow. So let's start. So first of all, from the chart you can see that it came like around 4.5, then it went all the way to close to like 5.2, which was like 16% increase in 2 days. So very good. Today it was also up, nothing bad. And before I talk mostly about this particular stock, just want to make sure if you played with MVIS today, like we had a massive day because in my last video I talked about call option for MVIS and you see it is up 36%. At one point it was 40% up, so we made a lot of money. Even SKLZ, so again we played call option and you see it was up 10%. A lot of money was made today. So anyway, if you have watched my previous videos, then congrats if you have made money. So why all the EV stocks are going up? So first of all, like we know there was a chip shortage and then the market correction, market rotation, so many things happened and all the EVs, they came all the way down. But one news came that President Biden pledges to slash greenhouse gas emission in half by 2030, and we know that electric vehicle will play a major role in reducing greenhouse gas emission. And after that, all the EVs are going higher. You can see like all other stocks, like all the EV ones, they are going higher. So and definitely this Ayro, they're also going higher. So what is Ayro? If you do not know, if you can go to their website, look at the video. It's a nice video. You see the car, right? So this is a electric vehicle, very small. So Ayro designs and produces purpose-built electric vehicle to enable sustainable fleet. So basically they are purpose-built and they are very small delivery trucks. So last mile delivery trucks, right? So it can be used in the campus for shuttle service, it can be used for food delivery. So the range is not that much, but again it's a small car, electric car. Food delivery is I think the best market for this one, and also for utility vehicle as well. So you can see the pictures, they're different models and this is an electric vehicle, so they have some feature. And one of the news came on March 17th, maybe you know about it, that they entered an agreement with Element Fleet Management, the world's largest pure play automotive fleet manager. And the news is so important because Element currently has 1 million vehicles under management across 5 countries and serves over 5,500 loyal world-class clients. What they did, Ayro will partner with Element for their suite of fleet management service spanning the vehicle lifecycle. The collaboration is intended to allow clients interested in Ayro vehicle to benefit from Element's experienced strategic consulting team. That was a very good news, right? And the share price went up, definitely. And also I found, by the way, I'll talk about the technicals, definitely support, resistance, breakout, everything, but just want to cover some news before I go there. So again, like news came today that they talked all the mini micro mobility vehicle. They had a small conference, I think they call. So it was a clean tech small cap conference, and you can see Ayro. So basically what they said that due to COVID, like there was some problem that the supply chain in China was closed for several weeks. Also that impacted Ayro, which was also introduced a product development in new vehicle in China. However, their Aeroscaler echoed that the sentiment of the pandemic, increased demand, and the visibility of food delivery vehicles. So anyway, and the good thing is they all agreed that this kind of micro delivery, it has a huge potential in future, because with vaccine news, more and more people will go outside. Schools, college and business will be open and people will need more food, and definitely food delivery in that particular sector, electric vehicle and this, especially these micro vehicles, can play a vital role, right? Now let's look at the chart. what we can see, the share price, you see, it's a wild roller coaster, right? It was 2.83, then with the new government, it went all the way to $10, came down, again a pump 11.5, again it came down, again some kind of small pump and coming down. So first of all, you can see the big spike. Why it happens? Because Ayro has a very high short interest. If I go to finviz.com, you can see that the short float is 22%, right? That's a lot of short float. And if I go to shortysqueeze.com, you can see their short float has increased by 16%. So basically 4.4 million became 5.1 million. So they have a high short interest. So sometime like you see this kind of short squeeze. But the thing is, it went all the way to $10-11, then it came all the way to 4.5. But now you see it's curling, right? This is important, and this is why I'm making this particular video. So why this is important, let's see. So here you can see the two black lines. So this is what I call falling wedge, right? This is a falling wedge. So the price was coming down. At one point it says enough of selling and let's go back. So this is a 4-hour chart. So two candle back to back, two candle represents one day, right? So you can see the share price came around 4.5 and it said enough, let's go up. So then it's curling up. So back to back it has 2 green days, and today we had a green morning, then afternoon it was little red, but I'm not worried about this. And why it is important, because you see this 4.5 was a support previously. The candle started from here, the last time it came all the way around this area, went up. So that's the bottom, I would say 4.5, and now this is time to go back up. Also, if I look at RSI on a 4-hour candles, you can see it was oversold. It was below 30, it was oversold, and now it is going higher. So this is a bullish momentum that the RSI is going higher. At the same time, look at the MACD. So the blue line has crossed the orange line and the green bars are increasing, meaning that the momentum has changed and Ayro wants to go higher. So definitely it wants to go higher because it was beaten down a lot. So what can happen? It can move sideways for a few days, or you can see up and down, but I think the selling pressure is gone and it should be going higher. And how high it can go? It can go a lot, but definitely let's look at 5.8. This is your next resistance, 5.8. Once 5.8 is broken, then it will go to 6.3. Again, you see 6.3, so many candles resting over 6.3, 6.3, right? So 6.3 was a very good support. Now it will become a resistance. So definitely it will go higher, 5.8, 6.3, and also you see some candle around $8 mark. So again, it will have some kind of resistance around $8, and after 8, I think, yeah. So do you want me to go before 8? So $8 almost will give you 100% profit. So after 8, definitely you can go even higher, maybe around this area, $10 and so on. But let's not look beyond $10. Let's look at small steps, right? So again, so many consolidation around this area. So if at one point we can break 6.3, then I think between 6.3 and 8 it might consolidate for some time. So the important thing is get over 6.3. And also the chart is showing me there is an earning. I'm not sure because there was an earning in 31st of March and saying May 12. I'm not sure about the date, but if there is an earning, who knows, there could be an earning run up. Anyway, lastly, I want to show you the call option. This is what I love, because when any kind of share is heavily beaten, and definitely buy shares, you average down. But the other way, if you have less money and if you want to make quick profit, I always play with call option, because one call represents 100 share. Let's look at here. If you want to give a lot of time, let's say I choose July 16th expiry date, it will give you 84 days of expiration date. Okay, you get 84 days, and if you choose the strike of $5 and you pay $100 premium, so your break even is $6. So if in next 84 days it goes to $6, definitely you will be in profit, and not necessarily you have to wait 84 days. If there is upward movement, then the premium will be higher, you will get money. So let's say the share price goes by $1. So for what's the price today? 5. 6.12, right? So if the price becomes 6.12, so $1 increase in the share price will give you $61. So you buy the premium at $100 and the share price will the premium will become $161. So basically 61% profit, right? So this is why I love, because 100 share will cost you $500, but you are spending only $100 and you are getting 60% profit. If you want, you can even take the 2.5 premium, but in that case your premium is higher. So anyway, it's up to you, but look at the chart. If I think 6.3 is the resistance, then do not go beyond 6.3. So basically 5 plus 1 will give you 6. So definitely I will go with this one. Or if you want to invest more money, then go with this one, because the IV is less and your delta is 97, meaning that $1 increase in share price, you will get $97. So this is how I will play with call option. And again, I want to give it some time, because you can see on the chart how it works. In the share price, you can see how it works, like it goes up, comes down, consolidation, goes up, comes down, consolidation. So again, give it some time. Maybe we will go up, we will move sideways for some time, then again we cross that 5.8, again consolidation for some time, and any kind of good news will be a bomb for this particular stock, and it will go higher and higher. So again, take some extra time if you want to play with call options. So anyway, my friends, that was the main purpose for making this particular video, because I think the share price is now wants to go higher, because the falling wedge is broken. All the EVs are going higher. The chart is telling me that it will go higher, not necessarily Monday morning it will just go to the moon. So you need patience for this, but definitely the price is very attractive. You can just buy the share, or if you want, just play with call option and forget. Or 84 days if you want. Something is called leap option. If you want, you can take long time, like maybe end of this year. Let's see how far much. You see 135, maybe I like this even. So you will get December 2021, you will get 238 days, and instead of 100 you have to pay $135. So you do not need to worry at all. Just spend $135 and forget about this for next 238 days. And definitely when it will increase, you will see the premium will go higher. So it's a cheap stock, the volatility is less, so that's the good part. So you can just buy a call option with long expiry date and just forget everything, and with time you will just make money. So anyway, my friends, thank you very much for watching this particular video. If you are already in this particular stock, let me know what is their average and how you want to play, what is your price target. And if you want to join this community, definitely you are welcome. I love to make videos on the stock that are about to break out and the momentum has changed, so that we can all make money. I talk about the price action, also I talk about options, because I love option, because using less money you can make a lot of money as well. So thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and have an excellent day, and have a nice weekend. Peace.